committed the moment na we will have already the approval of the Sakumian for the memorandum of agreement between the city and the Gugma Foundation. We can answer questions through them regarding some forthcoming Mascara celebration. So, good morning to everyone.
Okay.
Brad?
Sorry, Miss Carla.
Message. Statement.
Hello. Yes, hello, good morning to each and everyone. So, in behalf of Bacolod Gugma Foundation, we would like to say thank you for this opportunity nga makaatubang kami sa media. And of course, we would like to say thank you from the city government of Bacolod, headed by, of course, Mayor Greg, and to all our city councilors and vice mayor for entrusting us this year's Mascara Festival.
Why Gugma Foundation?
Gugma Foundation because Gugma means love. So we also aligned our name to, of course, we streamlined it to our mayor's legacy, which is Serbisyong May Puso. So with love, it also means passion. So Mascara was born out of passion and love. So we're here to bring out the best of Bacolod through our passionate staging and the love for the city of Bacolod.
You're the best choreographer in the city, and you will be handling a festival which is held by time, no, and culturally enriched festival. Are you prepared to handle overall, not just for the choreography of the festival?
Yes, I believe I am ready, but you know, may mga things sometimes. I've been handling events like other LGUs, and Mascara is close to my heart because, you know, this is home. And amo man ang hambal ko sa tanan nga working for the Gugma Foundation and the events nga. Although it's going to be 19 days of events, but we must be ready. Kaya biskan na nota naka-prepare. It's a live event, it's a live show. Anything can happen. So, I think gina-train namon subong. We will be having workshops sa amon tanan nga mga production team, tanan namon nga mga coordinators, even our interagencies and all our departments to be ready for this year's festival.
So what can the people expect from you with you at the helm of the Mascara Festival this year?
Well, it's ang atong gid nga vision. So working for events industry, so I have an idea how events are managed. So basically, from concept, from the birth to the execution. So I'll be hands-on gid.
How will it be different from the previous mascaras we have?
Because right now we streamlined it sa vision ni Mayor. Number one, gid festival should have, the Mascara Festival should have a tone of unity. So having said that, ang mga events naman subong are geared towards community, sectoral communities. We want to encourage the 61 barangays to be really part of. And tanan namon nga events, almost all events will be collaborated with the Office of the Councilor. So meaning, nakatie up siya sa mga events. And next is, we will be bringing back the heart of Bacolod. So, heart of Mascara. So the heart of Mascara is actually the locals. So, we will be tapping locals, from the logos to the music to the music videos. It will be a festival of local talents. And more smiles because we will have more events. This time, more inclusive events. And we want to partnership with both the local and national brands. So we will also strike a balance sa aton yung mga sponsors. The theme will be announced on our grand media launch. Will be on September 5. So our media team will be working closely with you. masend out na kami invitation for our grand launch.
Sir, you earlier announced that the festival will start from October 1 to 19.
19.
And then there will be as after party.
Yes.
Where is it there is account?
Okay, Mayor, can I explain?
Yeah. Siguro, number one, we have to consider the request sa mga taga-Bacolod about sang pag-inulan for the past couple of years, grabing ulan, no? And then isama dara is the sentiments of the Sangguniang Palungsod, no? They would have wanted nga ang highlights on the 19th, no? So on our part, para mabalance ang tanan, we'll have the 3-day highlights, no? 17, 18, 19. And then we came up with something new for the mascara. Kiti kabaluta nga pagkatapos ang open category, pag-awarding, pag-fireworks, why na? No, but this time siguro kinanglan taman nga magpasalamat sa mga taga-Bacolod, no, sa mga nagtambong, kag nang daw why niya pala pressure bala nga pag patigayon sa isa ka celebration. That's why nagsuggest ko sila if we can have an after party on the 26th, no, that is a Sunday, no, para man magpasalamat sa tanan nga mga nagbulig, tanan nga mga Bacolod na.
And just to add, the 26th we will be inviting all our winners from our competitions to our cultural events to come back and perform. And tsak to ginampal ni Mayor, and that's her way of saying thank you to those who worked tirelessly from September pa lang to 19, especially the production team, coordinators, interagency. So do Thanksgiving / after party.
Initially, sir, may number of barangays na mag-join sa street dance, including ang schools.
As of now, we will be meeting with them August 5th for the barangay and August 6th sa school. Then after that, we will ga-allow kami being mahatag sila letter of intent for those who wants to join. Then ang deadline naman, I think it will be on August 10. Then from there, we can announce how many participants will be for barangay and schools.
I-limit na lang, sir, sa number of barangays.
Actually, depende sa ma-join. But kami sa foundation, malimit lang gid kami.
Sa pila ka number?
More or less 12 to 15 guro for barangay.
How about the schools?
Sa school, based sa amon nga istoryahan isang coordinator, I think maximum is 7 if we base it on the districts.
It is school and elementary and high
Um,
elementary.
Only elementary. Kay ang high school, usually gina-utilize man sila sa barangay.
So how much budget do you have in mind for this year's mascara celebration?
For the budget, I think it's ongoing. Ongoing siya because our budget rely siya sa aton yung mga sponsors. So ang budget as we go along,
And estimate, sir.
estimate 20 pagid ko. Kay subong we are just 60% of the planning. So ginaplansyahan ay ga-IUI with the suppliers and coordinators.
Mayor, paano
Yes.
na Mayor, ang barangay nga wala ka-liquidate, kung may harap din man, wala ka-liquidate sa street dance.
Buligan sila sa syudad man.
Kung may harap.
Nga para managaw liquidate kiti naturalmente kung ang ginatag nga assistance ng city government fund, so kung uway ka pa liquidate hindi gid ka release ang syudad.
Pero may harap din ang Mayor, sa barangay.
That I have to check. I think may pila pa ka barangays no, as of last year ba.
Si Canada, sir, ma-join siya liwat or ma-qualify pa siya since Grand Slam na sila?
Wala pagi kami ka-talk directly with Grenada, no? Pero sa nabatian ko lang, I think rest sila, but wala, hindi, it's not final. Maybe they can join other competition man, like electric or other cultural events.
Pero wala na sila ginagawin.
Wala man. Actually, wala man guidelines nga if you're Grand Slam or Hall of Famer, you cannot join anymore. I think maybe because of pride, Goro Barangay pride, that they have to rest for this year. So ilan na personal nga decision.
Ma-end ba ng mga kiosks, sir, sa 20 to 25?
Yes, they will end
And-
19.
19.
19. So wala gid may matabo 20 to 25.
Mayor, ICT, mahatag man nagya kung subsidy sa mga participants nga barangay.
Yes, no. Kaya ginibukid man na every year sa syudad nga nagatag sa assistance sa tanan ng mga barangays na ma-participate. But we're finalizing the budget at this point.
Initially, na-identify na Mayor ang festival sites.
Yes, the festival sites is BCGC and Plaza. Lacson will run 17, 18, 19, which is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. May iban pa kami nga festival sites that we cannot disclose as of the moment kay under negotiation.
You won't use the paglaom anymore.
Ay, we will use the paglaom. So
For the main performance.
yes, basically what's also new for this year is i-flip siya namon. The performance or we call it the showdown, the arena showdown will begin sa paglaom gid. So then after that, they will make their way, street dance going to Plaza. So mahulat ato tanan, then I think to make grand performance to sila tanan nga barangay. Then we will announce the winners there kay para gutom ang tanan, they can go around the plaza and eat.
Ibalik man sir ang electric mascara.
Electric mascara is always there. Ragid siya. So we're still finalizing the route, but definitely diri siyang area, BCGC area.
Mayor, what happens to there was a donation for a building for the New Home Foundation by some senator. Anong matamo sa ito?
Well, ang siya nga project which was started by Senator then Senator Revilla. Ang nabutang to at first was Mascara Building. Originally, ang nabutang to was Mascara Building. So that property is a government property. It is not intended for any private group, foundation, or individual. Kasi the government hindi pwede makatag sa government funds or utilize ang government funds for a foundation or to any individual for that matter. And then this year dugang pagid another I think 10 million si Senator Revilla. From my end pasulod man kami daw another 10 million. So ang total about 30 to 35 million. So for that, ang intention kasi na is for the use ng city para sa mga mascara activities, events. Kay dugduman ko daan na siya nga request. That is why nabutang dito sa 2024 during the NEP or National Expenditure Program was the construction of the Mascara Building.
So it will be a city structure.
Yes, that is
It
a
will not
city
be
of...
donated to the foundation.
No, because we cannot do that.
Mayor, what is your challenge to the Bacolod Lugma Foundation with regards to the proper liquidation of funds, as we believe na former organization has faced backlash because of poor liquidation processes?
Well, since day one, pag initial nga istorya na naman ni Rodney and their group, I just asked them nga mangin transparent kid sa tanan-tanan nga mga activities, tanan-tanan nga mga whatever sponsorships, expenses, then report sa gunian na pangsud. Even if nga wala sila gabaton funds coming from the city. No? Kaya ang funds will go from the city directly to the barangay. But even if wala funds nga magasulod sa foundation, but still they have the obligation to report to the Sangguniang Panglungsod and to the city because this is a city activity. No? So muna nga akong din sila is to be transparent kay kung pila ang donations, pila ang expenses, kay kung may if indeed may mga funds nga sobra, then part sang agreement is i-donate nila na sa mga programs or activities ng city if may ara. But ang priority ay nga with whatever funds, use it para sa pagpatahong sang Mascara. And they've committed naman to be transparent about everything.
Ang 10M yung additional LGU fund or national sa building?
Ang national, DP, no? Ang isa was the project request ni Senator Revilla, and then the other one ang sa akon man naging request man sa DP nga dugangan siya because pag sugod sini 2024 kanugon nga kagamay nga project kagamay bilang pundo so way matapos that is why nga nag-request ako and then nag-request man si Senator Revilla muna nga nadugangan na siya another 20 million.
Saan naman mayor?
Diri ni siya sa may barangay 8
Nasugod na.
nasugod na.
Fire station.
Sa likod sa fire, sa within the property sang syudad sa may reclamation.
Ang i-emphasize mo nga, everything local ang i-utilize nyo. So meaning, why natakwaon ng mga artists from Manila or ano na kayo na-bombard kita na in the past 3 years and nadula ito to ang local nga flavor.
Yeah.
somehow.
Of course, hindi gina madula kay of course amo na ginahulat actually that's going to be the highlight ng mga big stars da. But what I'm trying to say is damo kami bisubong competitions that caters to locals. Almost 1 to 19 there's going to be a stage event. So meaning when we say stage event, it's not just banda or DJs. So we are actually creating events that people will go and sit down and gather. So ang tanan na nga highlights are local talents. Could it be competition, showcase of talents, showcase of sectoral. So that's going to be run and spotlight sa atin yung mga locals.
Ang makanta sa film song, local artist.
Local artists.
Ang composer man, tanan.
Yes, tanan. Even our video will be directed by local. It will be released man on the media launch, grand launch on September 5.
Yun na po, taga-populot kasi kayo sa tricycle.
Sorry.
Last video, ang ila-emphasis ng taga-populot kasi kayo sa tricycle as the means of transportation.
Oo, wala na tanis. Ang kasakay.
Yes. Okay. Noted.
Mayor, from your end, how would you describe this Swiss masquerade? And what can the people of Bacolod and other visitors expect this Swiss masquerade under your helm?
Hindi ko pasabton kay Dalia. Hello. Why na gid Okay. Why gid dalo?
I don't think so.
Sorry ka Rod. Why na gid ba thank you Rod. Siguro for this year's mascara munang since day one I asked them nga as much as possible i-involve ang tanan-tanan nga pwede makabulig sa aton nga diri sa Bacolod, no? Not just ang mga performers, not just ang mga in charge sa mga activities, but ang Bacolod noon gid mismo, meaning halin sa grupo sa mga vendors, mga seniors, mga nagkalain-lain nga sectors diri sa syudad sa Bacolod. And sa likod dapat hindi ta madula ang rason kung nga nga may mascara in the first place, no? Hindi man butchilingon nga himuon ta ang daan na ginobra sa mascara sa muna, but siguro even sa beat sang kanta na if you can recall diri nag famous ang mascara when it started, you know, na ang beat niya ka lively, mabatagan mo gid nga halin gid sa Bacolod, no? So amo nang emphasis gid naton kag sila ko gid ang aton nga expectation sini nga ang mga things that needs to be improved from last year's mascara. We made it a point nga gaan gid important, like for example ang pagdugang sa activity sa plaza. Kita mo gid yung reklamo sang damo nga mga kiosko sa plaza. So that's why gid pangabay ko ang foundation nga magway labot sang existing or ang mga areas nga nami nga daan. Ang plaza dapat hindi gid pag kalimtan. That is the reason why nga nag-decide sila nga ang street dance from Paglaom mabalik sa plaza. Kaya that's one way also nga mabuhi mo ang ekonomiya sa plaza. No kag madumduman man bala sang mga nakaagi saot sa maskara nga sa una sa plaza sila gisaot eh. So isa gid na sa mga butang nga try gid namon na ma-implement for this year's Mascara Festival.
Mayor, ang price masaka hindi.
Ang price actually di wala pa kami makapungko and everything no ko na sa foundation.
Last year.
Kung anong ilagay.
At Mayor Sarah Queen, ano ang title ka? May gugma or whatever?
No, it's still the same.
Bacolod Mascara.
Miss Bacolod Mascara, still the same.
Mayor, ang problema tada sa plaza, sa maskara kung pabilin pa da, ang parte sa pangbungkal at sa palibot, matinluan na antes pagmaskara.
Nag-commit na itong DP nga matapos nila na. Katuloy drainage na siya eh. Isa ginasang rason kung agin request na mo nga ginbutang na drainage. Kaya pag maskara last year, galutaw.
Ba?
Di ba? Naglutaw ito mga kiosco. That's why nga giningagaw, ginamon nga nag-request kami kung pwede mabutangan drainage sa palibot sa plaza. Kay amo na siyang sabat sa clamor sa mga tao sa nagligad nga maskara.